keep in mind that the good side of penny stocks is absolutely life-changing. It is really a good side. And some of the best stock picks we've made, an example is one that I found was Absolute Software at 80 cents. I bought it myself personally. My father bought it. I put some other people into it. It traded from 80 cents down to 40 cents, and people got very worried, of course. You've lost 50% of your money. But I looked into the books, and I knew the company was good and solid, and you're going to learn how to do all this yourself coming up. But it went down to 40 cents and I wasn't even worried, and it went up from that point up to $7.50 or so. I had a pretty big position, so I started selling some of it. It was up 10 times in value, 9 times in value or so, and I sold some, but not all of it. I sold some of it, and then I waited a few weeks. I sold some more, and it kind of was leveling off at $7. I thought, okay, well, this move is over now. It's done. And then I finally broke. I sold the rest of my position, and then pretty soon after, like, I don't mean like hours later, but it wasn't weeks later, this stock starts moving up again. And something that's worse than losing money on a stock, I'll tell you, is when you sell a stock and then watch it climb dramatically higher. And it wasn't that it went out from $7.50 or $8 or so to $9. It's that it went from $7.50 or so up to a split adjusted $32 per share, to the tune of, I put my father into the stock. He made $500,000 on it. It's, a great story of how stocks like these, penny stocks, can really be life-changing. You bought something for 40 or 80 cents that then went to $32 per share. You only need to find one or two of these in your entire life. It will make all the difference in the world. It will change your life. So don't think of it as looking to make 5% again and again and again until you're happy and rich and wealthy and everything's great forever. Think of it more like trying to find the home run. We're going for a grand slam here. And there's ways that you can completely increase your odds of finding a grand slam or a home run. And when you do, you only need to find one or two of those in your entire life. Like I said, if you find more, that's great. Especially if you found two, then you know that you know how to do it. You can just keep on going on again and again, making these kinds of gains. And you can do that with money you've made from previous trades that worked out really well. So if you start with $1,000, can you get to $1 million? Absolutely. Will you? Almost certainly not. But if you put in the work, and you really listen to what we're saying, and if you have questions, you follow up with us, if you do the assignments, if you read the resources and materials and books that we tell you, and you really commit to this, can you turn $1,000 into $1 million? Your odds are dramatically increased in doing that. Your realistic expectations will be adjusted the more you learn, and then your chances of really banking and making a lot of money off of trading small amounts of money, turning a small amount into something much more significant that will actually make a difference to you in your life, the odds of that dramatically improve, and you'll feel a lot better about this whole process. And if there's anything at this point that you don't understand yet, then just wait. All you have to do is sit here, watch these videos, take in the information, and think on it for a few days. And then if you're not sure on anything, you just reach out and ask questions. You guys are going to love this, and I know that I'm dragging on a bit with the intro stuff here, but I want to make sure that we get started the proper way. Everything is out on the table. You know where I'm coming from. I understand where you guys are coming from, because I was in the same place myself back in the day. And we are going to absolutely benefit. And my goal for you, you say to yourself, I feel much more confident in my trading style and what kinds of stocks that I'm looking to buy, and that you make a ton of money. I hope you're a billionaire. Maybe you send me a bottle of wine one day. I'm going to give you a quick message here at the end of this video. We're just releasing today, as in today, the Peter Leeds Academy. It's a full, complete course about how to trade penny stocks, everything we know about charts and fundamental analysis. Everything is about 10 hours worth of video of me explaining everything to you. There's assignments, there's all sorts of questions and things, and you're going to learn how to find high quality penny stocks and how to trade them, how to take your profits when they present themselves, everything. So this course is in pre-release mode right now. It's not coming out for about 2 months, but if you buy it now, what happens is you save $60 plus you get on the list for being one of the 100 pre-release copies that we are going to sell. that's going to be limited. So there's only 100 people that are going to be able to save the $60. So if you want to take advantage of that, if you want to take advantage of this incredible penny stock course, which should be selling for about $3,000, we're trying to keep it manageable and realistic for average investors. That's why it's going to trade at $369 if you buy a pre-release version of it. Otherwise, as soon as this course comes out, the Peter Leeds Academy goes back to its normal pricing, and it's going to be about $439. So if you want to save the $60, if you know that you're going to buy the course, then the Peter Leeds Academy, the time to sign up for it is now, and it'll be out within about 8 weeks or less. And it's also got a 100% refund guarantee. If at any point you buy the pre-release copy and you decide you change your mind for any reason, we don't even ask questions. We just give you your money back. You let us know. You want the money back 100%, there you go. Okay? So take a look at the pre-release copies. There's a link to the pre-release offer in the description below this video. Check it out. I hope that you guys really like this stuff. I hope you really benefit from it. And as always, I really think you guys are awesome. We're building this because we think it's going to really help you out. And we want to try and show our appreciation for how awesome you guys are. Anybody who wants to make a lot of money consistently, we're going to show you everything you need to know in about 8-10 hours worth of video taught by me, myself personally. You can reach out to us. Full refund guarantee, anything you want. You guys will really like this. So check out the link below this video. Thanks so much.